My name is Lulu Heisler. I'm one of the speech therapists here at Child's Play Therapy Center, and today we're going to talk about reading to infants and toddlers. Infants love to hear the sound of your voice, especially if you sing lullabies or poetry to them. They're not going to be so obviously interested in books quite yet, but they love the sound of your voice and the rhythm of your voice when you're singing nursery rhymes, and this gets them ready for reading a little bit later on. By about 4 months of age, your baby can actually, will start liking to hold a book and maybe put the book in his or her mouth, which is completely normal. At this point, you might want to use books that have a really hard, sturdy cover, or a vinyl book, like a bath book, or even a cloth book. If your baby wants to put the book in his mouth, that's okay. At this point, they're just learning what a book is like and what it is, and that's how they learn about things. Books at this point should be short and have lots of pictures. I love good night books for nighttime. This is one of my favorites, Always Guess How Much I Love You. And you can talk about the mommy bunny and the baby bunny and what they're doing, and that's a good book to go to bed to. At other times of the day, when your baby is a little bit more awake and rambunctious, you might want to do some fun 1, 2, 3 or ABC books. These, your baby 4 to 6 months probably won't even want to sit in your lap if the baby's sitting on the floor. Or at 6 months to 7, 8 months up to a year, they might be crawling around. That's fine. They don't need to necessarily sit the whole time. They can be pretending what they're doing, going for a quiet walk or a quiet talk, or having tea, or counting 1, 2, 3, or hey, wake up. This is a good one for morning time. Kind of gets you in a good spirit. You talk about everybody who's in the bed, and you can talk about the big guys, and then over here, the little guys. So all the books that you read, just talk about the pictures and explain what's going on. You can point out colors, you can point out shapes, you can point out emotions. And then as your baby gets closer, after 6 months and up to a year, they'll begin to want to sit with you more and actually pay attention to a book you're reading. You can start talking about more in-depth of a storyline, like what's actually happening in the Very Hungry Caterpillar, and how he starts as an egg and what he ends up as a butterfly, and all the colors. Again, another alphabet book. So reading to your child is important at any age, and it can literally start with just singing lullabies. And any child, most children that sit with their parents and learn to read, it's a great opportunity for you to snuggle with your child and just have a little bit of intimacy, and later hopefully your child will love reading. Thank you.